Hi everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to install your domain email to your Gmail accounts. So first, what you need to do is sign in to your Gmail or Outlook account. I'm going to install it on Anna's new Gmail account for TAF. So this is going to be the live tutorial on how to install it. Once you are on your Gmail account, you click this button, the settings, and then see all settings. Okay. Now, when you are on the settings, you are going to click this one, accounts and import, and then under accounts and import, you look for the check mail from other accounts, this one. And then after that, you click add a mail account. This window, you will see this one. This window is going to pop up. So for the email address, you will enter or type in the domain email that is assigned to you. So for Anna, it's going to be annaB@thrivearmenia.com. And then just click next. And then complete the information. Please, guys, check the spelling. The password that you're going to use is the password that is assigned to you. Okay, after you install this on your Gmail, the password that you will be needing is your Gmail password, not the password that is assigned to you when you adding this mail account to your Gmail account. Okay, now let's just type in the password. And also the password is case sensitive, so please be sure that you type in the right character, because if it's not, you will not proceed to the next step. For the port, we will change this to 955 and then tick the always secure connection SSL and label incoming messages, and then click the add account. And then this one, just click next, and then same as this one, next. And then I think this is the last step. You need to complete again the details. And then the password is also the same, the password that is assigned to you. That's the one that you're going to use. Okay. And then the port, we will change this one to 465. Then click the add account. Once the username and password is correct, you will see this window, and then another email that is going to send to your Gmail account. So let's check the email. Okay. First, you're going to receive two emails. The first one is this one, the client configuration settings. And then the second one is this one, the Gmail confirmation. This one is confidential. So please, the confirmation code will may take a while, may take some time. So just wait for it. And once you receive this one, enter the confirmation code here. After you enter that, click the verify, and the Thrive Armenia domain email. Your domain email is already connected to your Gmail account. On the left side here, you will see a label on a B at Thrive Armenia. This is the label. All the emails that is using the anabi at thrivearmenia.com, all the incoming emails will be put here in this label, or it will automatically labeled like this. Okay. In order to use the domain email, let's go here again on the settings, see all settings, and then accounts and import. Under this send mail as, you need to assign this one, anabi at thrivearmenia.com. This one is going to be the default email of this Gmail of Anna. So when you are sending mails to other people, this is going to be the email that they are going to see, not this one, because this one is the default email now for this Gmail account. When you're composing a new message on this from section, there is a drop down button so you can choose which email you're going to use. If you're going to send an email that is related or relevant under TAF, you use the TAF domain email. But if it's not, it's for your personal use or business stuff, you can use your Gmail email. Okay. One more thing. If you want to check if your email is working, yeah, you can create an test mail and send it to you, to yourself. And then right away you check this one. So your email is working and receiving some email. So if you want to reply, you can reply as your personal Gmail email or as under as staff. Okay. So again, here, let's just do the test of email. Okay. Here. See? So it's working. So that's it. If you have any question, you can message me on WhatsApp under the email domain help group. So thank you and have a great day.